Meaning of ethnically.
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 Ethnically. The term ethnically pertains to a particular group of people who share common cultural or racial traits, such as language, customs, beliefs, and traditions. It describes a person's identity based on their ethnic background. For instance, an individual may identify themselves as Asian, African, or European due to their racial or cultural heritage. The use of this term is important in areas such as anthropology and sociology, where the study of human culture and behavior requires a clear understanding of different ethnic groups and their distinct characteristics. In summary, ethnically refers to a shared cultural or racial identity of a group of people.